Hey guys, welcome back. This week's video is going to be a little different. We're going to do some maintenance on the camper. So I'm going to be giving it a wash. It's pretty bad. And I'm also going to be fixing the rust. So they were pitted before, but they're getting much worse now, sitting down here with the salt water and stuff right there. So I've been scraping anything that's loose. I'm just going around and scraping off with this scraper. And then after I finish that, we'll go ahead and we'll wash this thing up. We'll squirt some of this on. I'm gonna squirt it on everything here. Stains and the bolts. And this one ain't too bad. We're gonna squirt it over there though. Oh, I didn't scrape that. I need to scrape that down there. Get off the loose bits. We're gonna repaint these too. That is scraped off. Let's throw some of this on there. This is like oxalic acid and some other acid. I forget what the other type is, but let's squirt this one up. This guy paint's falling off. Let's spray it. All right, let's let this sit, and then I'll get the hose and rinse it off. Gotta get it well diluted, otherwise we're gonna have some problemos with more than just etching. Filthy. Comes clean though. Let's take a look. Looks really good. Perfect to paint. Okay guys, everything is dry. We're gonna get some paint on these. So I'm gonna take some masking tape. I'm just gonna mask off the plastic on this. Wait for these to dry and then we'll second coat them. All right, let's bang this out. It says it's gonna rain heavy. I don't know, I'm not seeing the clouds. Maybe, it'll probably pass by. Little overspray. Still a little bit tacky. That storm looks like she's building. Looks good. So much better. Hopefully that'll stop the rust. All right. Yep. Okay. Welcome back. Here we go. This stuff is dry now, so yeah, look at that. Oh, there's some crack in here maybe. I wonder if water's gonna get in there. Yeah, let's not worry about it. Okay. Alright, let's see. I got some soap here. This is the Turtle Wax Hybrid ceramic infused. This stuff is awesome. If you want to get this stuff, there'll be a link down below. It's like SI infused. We're going to fill this bucket up with some water. I don't know what happened to the audio in this, guys. But what am I looking for? Where's my scrubber? It was sitting right here. Right there. I don't know. Oh, here it is. Found it. Looked like somebody was sweeping the floor with it. Picked it up and rocks fell out of it. Yeah, that'll do good on the fiberglass. We'll fill this up. Oh wait, gotta rinse it out. Rinse this thing out. There's bugs in there. 3 ounces. More is better. Look at them suds. It doesn't sud up really good. Alright guys, you sit over here. Watch this. I'm gonna wash this thing real quick. She's gonna look pretty. Whoa. Alright guys, check this out. Show camper. You could do your makeup in this reflection. Shoo! That's gonna wrap this up. Stay curious, chase your dreams. I'll see you around the bend. Happy roaming.